believe
don't
me?
care about
You know
the
what
Super
you'll
Cup.
say? You know what you'll say, yeah? If he won the Europa, then we won the Champions League, and then we slap him for the Super. He's like, yeah, but we won the Europa, though. You got to respect it, though. You got to respect it. We still won the Europa, though. Nah, I know this guy. No,
was
I don't
nice.
want you getting any
You know,
trouble.
the trip was nice. You know,
No.
Italy was nice.
I actually think we bad you up in Italy, bro. I swear, Dan. I think we bad you up there, but that's why I'm not afraid of you, man.
Wait, no, hold on. You ain't sliding saying, nah, look at this guy. Look at this guy. No. Wait. If Arsenal meet you, if Tottenham Arsenal in the Super Cup, you say that you lot are going to slap us, yeah?
Bro, full team to full team.
Arsenal versus Spurs in the Super Cup. Spurs slaps Arsenal.
Bro, you know what? I beg the footballing gods to make this happen.
1 billion%.
Bro, I swear, bro, you know what? It's so let me clip this. If Tottenham make it, if Arsenal and Spurs win and they're playing Super League, Northside, if you don't mind, I will take care of our flight ticket. You're sitting next to me in Italy, bro. You're sitting next to me for that. Don't go missing. Don't run off with your bedrooms. Yeah? Sit next to me as you watch my club bad you up there. I'm you. Are you smoking budgie? Bro, can you not see what I'm rocking, bro? Spicy Tottenham. Nah. We will bad you up and we would have had 2 trophies over you, man. 2 legit trophies. 2 trophies. You know what? This stream's gone left. This war.
No, hold on. All of this here. Hold on. All of this hype here because you beat Frankfurt.
Bro, I'm telling you now.
He knows, bro. Look at him.
Because you beat Frankfurt. This is what I'm saying. This is what I've been saying in the show. You're hyped because you beat Frankfurt. And they had 3 opportunities that they should have scored, bro. Because you man are just letting players just run into the box unmarked, bro. But because they're shit at that flipping finishing their goals, all of a sudden, because you beat Frankfurt, bro. Are you mad? When you've told us that every other league outside the Prem is dusty. Man United are dusty. You said your team was dusty before you beat Frankfurt. You wanted Ange out. You said that the treble was on this season, and now the treble ain't on. You ain't respecting it. And now you're gonna slap Arsenal based on and you're talking about
so
what do you mean so?
Everyone in the chat, it's not crazy to think that Tottenham will bad up your club. Are you mad? With a full squad, you're acting like when we came to your stadium, we weren't missing legs. What are you talking about?
Please remind me how you lot got slapped up against Brighton. Please remind me how you lot got slapped up against Crystal Palace. Please remind me how you lot got slapped up all this season. You're talking to me 17 L's. 17 L's, yeah? You being charged. 17 L's, yeah? And now you're trying to do the injury thing. You're more top gooners, bro. You're the mothership. You are the mothership.
Let this game happen. Let this game. You see, let this game happen.
Number at the sketches, you know.
Man, that's 17 L's, you know. I ain't even gonna call you dead. I'm gonna call you 17 L's. Don't talk to me. What are you talking about? You're gonna slap us up.
17 L's is crazy.
Bro, it's one game, you know.
Man, like, you know that show Sweet 16 when they do the birthday? You're Sweet 17, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna keep getting slapped up. And you're talking to me about you'll slap us up. Listen, you're gonna make me sound like a top gooner now, yeah? But you ain't slapping us up, bro. Based on Frankfurt. Do you even know what part of Germany Frankfurt is?
Bro, I'm not understanding where your confidence is coming from, bro.
My confidence is this, yeah? My confidence is this. We may not be, I'm not sure that we're able to win the Champions League. I still don't think that we'll win it, yeah? That's another conversation. But we're fucking better than you lot. What are you talking about? You're down there next to Dusty Man United and you're telling me you're going to slap us up?
I think...
Nah, you're crazy, bro.
I think in the end, you got no wagwan for your club, bro. You just a spicy Spurs. I've been saying it from all season. I don't think there's any difference between us, and I think we will see the truth with our players back now.
Bro, you got opened up by Wolverhampton.
Let's get
opened up by Wolves, bro.
That's crazy.
Bro, let's see. Bro, I don't mind if we get opened up for the rest of the season. I don't mind if we get opened up for the rest of the season as long as we win the Europa League, bro.
You got slapped up by Wolves, bro. What are you saying this about Wolves?
Let me give you this warning. Let me give you this warning, bro, and you know this. You said it yourself on your channel earlier this week. Should Tottenham win this trophy and you man don't win, Tottenham would have had a better season. Hold that.
Yeah, but you still got to achieve. Have you done it yet? What do you mean hold that? You ain't won anything yet. Man's looking like it's done.
I'm just saying, bro.
Bro, man you lost more than half your league games, you know.
Hey, yes, sir.
Brother,
Yes,
like,
sir. I wasn't referring to you, bro, because
you can't though. You can't refer to me though.
You might have been League of Warsaw.
Yeah, but
you know
then I got 99 problems and
Nah,
beating Spurs ain't one. You know what I mean? I don't have an issue beating Spurs,
bruv.
regardless of how poor I am.
Anyway, look.
Fulham
We are
and
gonna-
Wolves slapped you lot up, and you're telling me that I should fear you.
Bruv.
Which
I think you, no,
You know, you might turn into Dave later. You know.
No, I'm saying you should fear the
Just
fact
fine.
that I'm saying, and I think the Red Tottenham fans in the chat know what one for this. I'm saying you should fear the fact that you, man, might not do what you should have done.
Yeah, but Northside never expected it though.
And if you don't and we do, it is long for you, bro. I'm offering you a reprieve and say, you know what, let's all do it. But
Yeah,
you
but
don't want
Northside's
that.
along for the ride. Northside's along for the ride.
No, he's not. No, he's not. He's not.
I've not
He's gonna
overgassed
do this
anything.
job.
I've not overgassed anything. I've given.
I'm not overgassed. I'm just saying.
You
I
asked
would
me
love to
about
see you
Arteta
put
in
that
the
up in the super. You don't want it. You don't
I've
want
not-
that job.
No, listen. You asked me about
You can
what I
never say
thought
that to
about
me.
Arsenal beating Real Madrid. I've not gone over the top. I said let's not undermine PSG. I said if we face Inter and Barca, I'm still not convinced that we have enough to beat them. And I haven't been going on, oh, wait to the Super Cup. You then asked me about, oh, if we face you in the Super Cup, we're going to slap you lot. Did Leicester feel like that when they faced you lot? Because they won that game. Did Leicester fear you?
Bruv,
I just want to know.
bruv. I think
Man said, am I stuttering? You know?
Is it bleeding?
Why are you coming so fast?
Come on, bro. Like you're doing the mock, bro. If I was saying this here, if I was speaking like you after we beat Real Madrid, you'll be saying, yo, Northside's shaking his bum, he's being shameless, he's getting overexcited. Are you not getting overexcited? Not that long ago, you wanted Ange out.
no, bro. Look, nothing's changed with how I feel about Ange, but I can't help it, and maybe I'm wrong. You're right, bro. Like I think what you're up against and what I'm up against is not the same. Like legit, like. I can't bring like Man United is dusty, bro. Let's be real. They might do it, but they're dusty. But I'm not about to believe that Bodo of 8,000 a capacity crowd of 8,000. I'm not disrespecting them, but they're gonna be overruled by the lights in the stadium. They're gonna see pictures of Beyonce in the changing room, and that's it, bro. Like it's done for them. You get me? So like I'm just being real, bro. Like on the one hand, you're right about the levels. I can be humble, and I was coming. I came on the humble thing. I was like, bro, like I'm so grateful for the win against Frankfurt because I thought Spurs were gonna lose. Let London run things, but you don't want to let London run things. So if you want to go to war, let's go to war.
It's war all the time.
Yeah, but you can't call United dusty though. They're your neighbours, bro. You're in the same ends.
Bro, don't be stupid, bro.
We live in the same ends, bro. You can't
Bro,
call
they're
someone dusty when they
bro.
live in the same area.
They're crap and they're shameless. They're crap and shameless.
Do you know what, Dej, man? You did come on a humble thing, but then the old Dej had to come out in it. The old Dej had to come out.
Bro, you know, I'm not gonna lie, you caused it because I gave you 40 minutes. I gave you 40 minutes to retract your
You
statement.
tried to tell us Kool-Aid, bro. You thought we were gonna buy the Kool-Aid.
Like, Northside really doesn't want to see an Arsenal Spurs Super Cup. He really doesn't want to see it.
No, I don't.
Nah.
I don't. But
I
if
don't
we're
wanna
in
see
it,
either, bro.
we're beating you. If we're in it, we're
Bro,
beating you. And if
you
we're
know
not,
what?
and
But
you know
you
what?
know-
Even if he wins me a
That's the whole
Champions League,
thing.
if that was to happen, yeah, and we I want him sacked. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. You want me Champions League? We cannot be losing the North London rival to a North London rival in the Super Cup. I don't care. Unacceptable. You know what I'm saying?
He's already lost the Europa League. You can't lose the Super Cup as well. You know what I'm saying?
I feel that for me, I'm gonna pull it out now. That's my narrative moving forward. I would like to see a Super Cup between Tottenham and Arsenal because I feel that my club will badge you up. And what an amazing thing it would be to badge you up and to
Said
take
my
that
narrative.
trophy at the same time. Me, right now, what I'm trying to do for my club is do 2 for the price of 1. Right now, we're getting 2 for the price of 1. We're getting a trophy and Champions League.
Man said £1 fish.
Arsenal and get another trophy.
Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies.
£1 chicken. We have to change it to chicken. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, that's the only thing I would say to you with respect. I wish you could be in the Super Cup.
With you, against you?
Bro, I would love it, bro, if you were just involved in
Yeah,
their
but I've
competition.
won
that
it
got you
already.
there. What
already
would you do? You play? Who do you not play? You play any special cup for winning your competition?
No, we just get automatic entry to the Europa League, but I don't really want that.
Oh, you don't just get Europa. Well, bro, that's a good thing.
No, but not after all these years. I don't really want to be in Europa again. Do you get what I'm saying? I think we should be going back to going up up. You know what I'm saying? I'll skip that bit. You know what I mean? You just instead of going to I'll just skip year 11 and just go straight to college, fam. That's what I want to do.
Come. Well, people, big up to everyone that's locked on.
Is that bang?
Oh man, it's still embarrassing though.
Yeah, I hear it, but we went through. We went through, innit? I'm just trying to win the trophy, bro, by hook or crook.
Can I be real? Are you still trying to win that trophy? I personally would have removed myself long time, bro.
Yeah, but you're allergic to trophies, bro. We're not.
Nah, bro. Don't chat to me, bro.
When's the last time you've seen your players' armpits, bro? Don't walk. Nah, don't do that.
Today's not the day to chat to Europa League semi-finalists.
Yeah,
who you played in the semi? Who you played?
Oh, okay, let me tell you who's playing. This is funny. I think the team.
Look it up. He's got to look up.
I don't know. It's called Joe Gardens, blood. It's a team that's 12th in the Swedish league, fam.
Oh my gosh.
We're chilling, bro. I'm getting to the final.
Oh,
easy, bro. You know what I mean?
That is shocking, bro. That is shocking.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, look, I'll say this because I'm on good vibes. Northside's on smoke today, but I'm on good vibes.
I'm just on asking questions, isn't it? Yeah, I'm saying I'm just asking questions why you're so excited right now. Like I just don't really understand it. Like, do you know what I mean? I get being happy, but you know what I mean, with caution. Like I'm happy that we beat Real Madrid, but I still have caution in it. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying.
I've got caution.
Huh? Nah.
Did you think you'd be
in
the Glim?
Because I don't rate the teams that I left. I can't lie.
Oh yeah, that's the ones, isn't it? You know, that's how you lose. That's how you lose. You know? That's
if you
like when you get beaten by those teams that don't rate.
Let me ask
you clipped now, Dead, yeah? Because you say you don't rate the rest of the team. If you get eliminated by Bodo clipped.
La Liga's dusty as well.
I've been saying I've been saying La Liga's dusty from the
start. Watch him say, oh yeah, but Bodo clipped. I
wouldn't be surprised if United.
Let's to run the Farmers League thing, you know.
It's a good team, you know.
I asked Northside, but can you see London dominating Europe this season? And don't be shameless. Like I need you to be objective. You're a football brother.
Yeah.
Do you think London can run things this season?
No. I don't think so.
So who is not going to do their job between the three of us?
I think the top two, but you lot at the top, bro. You lot are the most susceptible. Even though I'm in the easiest competition, I know I'm not saying it because I know I'm not in the Champions League, yeah. But you guys got the harder challenges, innit? I think some of the teams that obviously Northside got coming ahead is a mad thing. And then he also, you know what I mean? Yeah, you beat Real Madrid, yeah, I hear it. And obviously, none of us expected it, but at the same time, yeah, nah. I can't, Deji, if we lose against this Bodo Glimt or this Athletic Club, whatever, I don't even know who plays for Athletic Club, bro, yeah, it's going to be crazy.
Yo, none of us can lose it, bro. Real talk. Because any of us don't win it at this point, yeah, it's an embarrassment. I'll keep it real. It's an embarrassment. If Arsenal doesn't win it, bro, I don't care. It's an embarrassment.
Ah, but you ain't got the heritage.
After beating Real Madrid, yeah, like after beating Real Madrid to not win the competition, I'm gonna be fuming, bro. We have to win it. I don't care by hook, by crook. I don't give a shit. I don't care what it even looks like. I don't even care if it looks like good football, bro. Just get me over the line because the second leg against Real Madrid wasn't like astonishing football. Like the first leg was
that's competition, though, isn't it? That's what's it called? Knockout competition, bro. No one cares about how you win it. As long as you end up holding the trophy, everyone's gonna remember you held the trophy.